Clafoutis, welcome back. Alright, welcome to my peach bake. Mate, I have got the munchies hard. This is an awesome dessert and it's really cheap and really quick and easy to make. Alright, first of all what we need is a 410 gram can of sliced peaches. So what we want to do is we want to drain the peaches and then we want to put them all on paper towel. Once we've got them all on a paper towel, we want to set it aside for a minute. Now we want to get a 2-litre oven dish. And we want to get some butter and we just want to put a thin layer of butter all over it. Now we preheat our ovens to 180 degrees Celsius. Now we just turn all the peaches over for 1 minute. Now we put the peaches on the bottom of our dish. Doesn't matter how you do them. You can lay them flat, stand them up. Alright, once we spread them out evenly, we want to set that aside for a minute. Now we get a medium bowl and we want to sift 1/4 cup of plain flour and 1/4 cup of self-raising flour. Now we set that aside for a minute and we need to grab a jug. Now we want to put 4 eggs in there, 2/3 cup of cream, 1/3 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'll write the recipe below for you to make it easy as always. Now we want to whisk it all in really well. Okay, once we've whisked that up nice and good, just set it aside for a sec. Grab our flour, our sifted flours. We want to put 1/2 cup of caster sugar in there and just give it a good mix around with a fork. This is so quick and easy and bloody amazing, mate. Oh my god, my mouth is watering already. Okay, now we put our egg mix into our sifted flour and sugar and just whisk it in really well until we've got a nice smooth batter. Once we've got it nice and smooth, we want to grab our peaches in our dish and we want to pour, make sure in view, pour our batter over them all. Now we want to get a tablespoon of caster sugar and we want to sprinkle it evenly over the top. Now we want to bang it in our oven to golden and just set. While that's baking, we're just going to whip up a little bit of cream, a couple of heaped normal spoons of icing sugar, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just beat it up with the electric beater until it's nice and whipped. What do they call it? Soft peaks form. And then cover it up and whack it in the fridge, or if you want to do it in a piping bag, chuck it in a piping bag, then in the fridge. Oh, it's smelling good up in here. Oh yeah, baby. Exactly half an hour later. Oh, exactly how you want it. See the wiggle? Now we just want to leave it sit there for 10 minutes to rest. 10 minutes later, it's flattened down perfectly. Now you can cut it into 6 smaller pieces or 4 larger ones. You can either put it in a bowl, or I'm just going to put it on a plate so hopefully you can see it. And we want to get out some icing sugar to dust over the top, and we want to get our whipped cream out. You have to excuse me if I'm going to be in the way at all. Cut out however little big you want them. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, once you got it on your plate or your bowl, I'll just show you with the light so you can see. Oh, I can't even explain what this is like. It's just absolutely amazing. Alright, now we get some icing sugar and dust it over the top. I just like using one of these little strainer thingies. A little blob of cream on there. Oh, baby. Have you got yourself something absolutely mad delicious? Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. You know me. I'll be back.